Hello guys, it's Friday afternoon and I'm on board at work. So just getting back onto testing to destruction crash helmets. We're still back with the old Takachi TK-30 from one of the last videos. And we're going to test it with this. So stay tuned and I'll upload the video as soon as we're testing it. Cheers. So we've got it in the strong arm. We've got a little bit of wood to spread the load a little bit. And we've got the crash helmet down there. We've got a pressure gauge up now. I don't know how accurate it's going to be. But we're going to test it to destruction. And hopefully it's going to be a good one. Oh, I don't want to record it.
So look, that is on that moulding line, isn't it?
It's cracked right across there. It's only that plastic there holding it together.
Yeah. I think for the rest of it, it's actually done quite well.
For a cheap lid.
Yeah.
Right, so we've had the crash helmet in the floor press now. We have compressed it, which I thought I was recording, I hadn't. So the last video was just the floor press coming off of it. This is the outcome. It's gone all around there. It's only that rubber that's holding it all together now. The inside is only polystyrene. I'm getting now. It's just one little sheet of polystyrene inside there. And we've got a little cross there. But it really did take the impact quite well for a really cheap lid. It is totally out of shape now. A little bit of the polystyrene inside has shattered across the top, the little ribs inside there. But overall, quite a good test really. It did have a massive amount of impact put on it. And just started to split there straight away and then went all together. So yeah, successful test. As always, feel free to subscribe, like, comment below. And if you need any motorcycles tested or motorcycle crash helmets tested, I've got 2 left. So any comments, I'll see if I can make them videos. And stay tuned. Cheers.